Bang! Bang!
Bang!
Bang! Come here. Call his name again.
Bang!
Come here.
Bang!
Come here. Call his name again.
Bang!
Come here.
Bang!
He's sniffing like. Poke, come here.
Bang!
He looking scared.
Hey, Booby! Hi! Hi! Hey! Oh, you don't miss me?
I think he's scared. Come here.
Come here. Ooh. Are you mad?
He's smiling.
Are you mad? Hey. You don't miss me? You don't jump up after me no more? Why you shaking? You okay?
Oh hell, he done did something.
What's wrong?
Cause he looking at me, that's why.
What's wrong? Oh no, what you done done? Come on, let's go. Ain't do nothing.
Okay.
Maybe he's just scared. Like, she been gone all this time. What's wrong? I'm sorry. I love you. I love you. What's wrong, boo? Huh? Bang. Aw. Look at me. Mommy miss you. Lay down. Lay down.
He want his bone.
Give me his phone.
He is scared.
What's wrong? Bang, it's okay.
Bang! Come here.
I'm sorry. Mommy's sorry. I left you for a little bit. I'm back though, okay? It's okay. You didn't do nothing, okay? What was wrong? Lay down. Lay down.
He looking at me. Been with him for 6 months.
You don't love me no more?
Yeah, he's scared. Bang! 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 Alright, say his name.
Bang. Hi, Bang. Hey, baby. Hi. Hi. He probably like, I done heard your voice for like 6 months, and now you're here. Yeah, he excited though. Mommy's home. Yeah, I'm back. Yeah. You still got the no licking in the face good, right? Don't you? It's okay. It's okay. He's really excited. I home. Yeah. Your little couch buddy home. I don't know how much on the couch we gonna be, but I'm home. No. I love you too. Okay?
Yeah, he excited.
Mommy's back.
He be smiling too.
He's back.
Okay, now he good.
I'm home, okay? I'm really home. Yes, I'm home. I'm home. Nada. You say my mommy back. Yes, I am. I'm back. Yeah, look at that belly. Look at that belly. You done got big, boy. You get big self. What is that? I have to check you out. Daddy don't be examining you.
He fine.
I don't know. That just wasn't that big before I left.
Okay, get up and see if he'll follow you.
Come on. Come on. I'll be back, okay?
It's gonna take him a while before he be like,
Yeah, I'm sorry, my hair all in your face. You didn't even lick my hand. That ain't normal. What is it? Why you showing your teeth? Go to daddy.
come here.
Bang.
Alright, yeah, this is. Okay, he good.
Yeah, my baby back.
And he don't do no jumping no more.
I see. He look like your daddy. Yeah, you do. You got his fat head. He looking like he had to look back like, is it
What
for
you
me?
want from me?
He looking like, man.
No.
You want me to rub your belly?
Yep, might as well.
Oh, man. Really? I gotta spoil you, huh? Something gone? You gonna try to get all the rubs, huh? You can.